Hey viewers, here we have an exciting news for you that you don't need to wait until you cross 50 to have financial freedom. Sounds good? Imagine a life in which you don't need to worry about expenses, bills, debts, and short of cash. Let's reveal the truth. Most people follow traditional lifestyle and never follow the actual money rules. But today, we're going to explain those techniques and provide you the roadmap to gain financial freedom in your 20s, even if you're starting from zero. So stay with this video till end, and you will surely get to know those steps what even your schools never taught you. Step 1. Billionaire mindset versus poor mindset. Okay, if I ask you what is money for you, do you consider it only a medium to buy things? Before we talk about anything, let's clear your mind about money management. Do you know that most people who stay poor throughout their lives are not those who don't earn, but they are ones who don't think like billionaires? This is the first thing to bring any change. We often don't value money. If you start considering it valuable, you fear spending it uselessly. Always remember, it's money that helps you to become successful, financially independent, look good and respectable in society. It starts from money mindset. The day you find this phenomena, you will observe a massive change in your financial journey. Step 2. Follow the 50-30-20 rule. You must be wondering, what is it? Let's decode it. Spend 50% of your income on your basic needs, 30% on your wants that are not for basic survival, but they are necessary too, and 20% on investment. Start with this rule, but here you will say that we can't do it because we all are broke before the end of month. To solve this, let's reverse this game. Start from 20% investment and then spend on wants and needs from the rest of the amount. It will refrain you from useless purchasing and your money will be invested. Otherwise, you will end up blaming inflation, government policies, low income and less opportunities. You need to take control of your life for a better future. Step 3. Try to find more income streams than relying on direct income. Let's be real. Only focusing on little saving and investing won't work unless you are not trying to double your income streams. The rich people never be satisfied with a single 9-to-5 job and an ordinary lifestyle. They must go for passive income or any side hustle that reward them in future. Let's divide income streams into 3 sections. Direct income, your job, your primary work to earn bread, or your property from which your finances are managed. Side hustle. You can call it passive income, where you put extra time and efforts like freelancing or any other work you're doing and making a good amount from there. Third one is ultimate game changer. Here we include that income which you made even if you're sleeping, like creating a YouTube channel, digital assets, making investments in stocks, or something that has long-lasting impact on your financial growth. Many of you are relying on primary income, and they don't dare to find more opportunities to make their life an inspiration for others. Multiple sources of income gets you closer towards your financial freedom inevitably. Step 4. Avoid those traps that are the reason for your financial downfall. Let's discuss the great wealth killers. We often get attracted by sugar-coated offers like credit cards, car loans, and buy now, pay later schemes. But in reality, you're being trapped and they're stealing your money without telling you directly. Here's the rule. If you can't buy it twice in cash, you can't afford it. Another trap is procrastination. If you're planning to implement these steps, do it today. Take control, take action, rather than delaying it on tomorrow. Do it right now. No matter if your pace is slow, but consistent efforts to earn side income can do wonders. Another biggest trap that many of you don't take seriously is lifestyle inflation. We are trapped into opinions, perceptions, and judgment made by people. And we have subconsciously raised our lifestyle beyond our income to meet high-class standards. For example, when you got a promotion, instead of increasing investment, you changed your car model. That's called lifestyle inflation. Remember, that's the reason you're unable to save money. Step 5. Move to a tax-friendly strategy. Being a taxpayer citizen is good, but billionaires are wiser common people. They know that higher amount of taxes never let them save or invest, and there is no doubt about it. Earned income, salary, is taxed the highest, while investment income and business income often have tax advantages. So they use legal tax strategies to save their money from heavy taxes. You can ask for assistance from a financial advisor to know how to claim tax benefits. Self-employed people often register themselves as a business entity to avoid paying taxes.